Hello, welcome to this QV report tutorial. This is the second part of the video about tables, so how to use tables and how to connect cells to the data within QV report. So in the first part of the video I showed you how to create this object, which resembles pretty much the one we have in the president demo report. Okay. If you pay attention now, I managed to replicate basically everything. I changed the formatting, alright, but if you pay attention, we have a total by page at the end of each and every page in the present report, and at the end of the first group related to the news article sources, so sources being news article, we have a total by source, and at the very end of the whole report we have a total for all the tweets in all the report. So how to replicate this, that in the report structure looks like this. I'm going to show you now how we did this. So first you notice each and every total is in a different part, is in a different band. Well, the total by source is in the group footer because it's at the end of the two groups, now the sources being either news articles or tweets, and the total by report is at the report footer, just one band for the whole report. And then total by page is at the end of every page, so it clearly needs to be put at the end of each and every page. Okay, I'm going to replicate these objects for you in the tables example, so in the table example report. So first I need to add the missing bands, so the band, and I'm talking about group footer, and which is the other one, the report footer. Okay, in here I'll try and replicate this table. I align it, being pixel perfect is not difficult to align it exactly where you want it. So now I'm going to change a bit the name. First I need to disconnect this from data because it's going to be just a label, and I'm going to call it total by source. And then here I'm still connected to the number of tweets from Barack Obama, but now I want to apply a sum. So there's going to be this sum, and clearly for the whole group. Well, I do exactly the same for this other field that relates to the tweets from Romney, and this should do the trick for the first part that I wanted to show you. Let's check. We go back in print preview, and now at the end of each and every group, and the two groups being news articles or tweets as source, we got a total. One is there, and the other one is at the very end of the report. There it is. So we go on. I now replicate this, and I'm going to create a total for the whole report. So I change this. But clearly I need to change this as well. I need to change it accordingly. It's not a sum for the group now, it is for the whole report. And so it is in this cell here. I'm almost done. Well, now I can do exactly the same for the page footer. So I replicate once more this. I'm going to put it here. Well, clearly I need to adjust things a little bit down here. Alright. Oops. I think, yeah, I moved this, which was not needed. Right, so this is not total by source, this is total by page. And I need to change these accordingly, because these data now need, in these cells I want the total by page. So once again the function remains the same, it's just the set of data, set of cells that I'm using to calculate the sum that is different. It's not a group anymore, it's the page. Okay, see how things are now in my report. You see for each and every page now I have a total by page. I still have the total by group or by source. And at the end of the report I I also have the total by report. So this concludes the presentation for the tables. I clearly invite you to check all the other BI Network videos for query report, and thank you so much for watching.